Linux users have a lot to talk about this week because one of the most popular beginner-friendly Linux distributions is taking a major step toward the future. Linux Mint has officially embraced Wayland, marking one of the biggest changes in the project's history. At the same time, developers have released important security fixes and several improvements that make the distribution more reliable, secure, and ready for the next generation of Linux desktops. While Linux Mint has always been known for stability over flashy innovation, this latest update shows that the developers are carefully modernizing the operating system without sacrificing the user experience that millions of people appreciate. If you've been waiting to see when Linux Mint would fully join the Wayland era, that moment has finally arrived, and it represents much more than simply changing the display server. For years, Linux Mint relied almost entirely on the traditional X11 display server. X11 has served Linux desktops for decades, providing compatibility with countless applications and workflows. However, the technology is also showing its age. Modern desktop environments require smoother animations, better support for high refresh rate monitors, improved security, enhanced touchscreen compatibility, and more efficient graphics handling. This is where Wayland enters the picture. Wayland is a modern display protocol designed to replace X11 by simplifying communication between applications and the display server. Instead of carrying decades of legacy code and outdated design decisions, Wayland provides a cleaner and more secure architecture that improves performance while reducing many of the weaknesses found in X11. Linux Mint's decision to officially support Wayland demonstrates that the technology has matured enough for everyday users. One of the biggest advantages of Wayland is security. Under X11, applications running on the same desktop session can potentially monitor keyboard input, capture screenshots, or interact with other windows in ways that create unnecessary security risks. Although these capabilities were originally intended to support advanced desktop functionality, they also open doors for malicious software. Wayland dramatically limits these interactions by isolating applications from one another. Programs can no longer freely inspect everything happening on your desktop without explicit permission. This creates a much stronger security model that protects user privacy and reduces opportunities for attacks. As cybersecurity becomes increasingly important, these architectural improvements are becoming essential rather than optional. Linux Mint's developers have spent considerable time ensuring that Wayland works smoothly before making it an official part of the operating system. Instead of rushing the transition, they waited until major desktop components, drivers, and applications reached acceptable levels of compatibility. This careful approach reflects Mint's overall philosophy. Unlike some distributions that adopt every new technology immediately, Linux Mint prefers stability and reliability. That means users benefit from extensive testing before major changes arrive. The result is a smoother migration that minimizes surprises for both experienced Linux enthusiasts and newcomers making the switch from Windows. Performance improvements are another major reason behind the move. Wayland offers lower latency in many situations because applications communicate more directly with the compositor. Users may notice smoother window movement, improved animations, and better responsiveness, especially on systems equipped with modern graphics hardware. Gaming performance can also benefit in supported environments thanks to reduced overhead and more efficient rendering pipelines. Variable refresh rate monitors, fractional scaling, and multi-monitor setups generally work better under Wayland as desktop environments continue optimizing the experience. While results vary depending on hardware and software, the long-term direction is clearly toward improved efficiency. Another area where Wayland shines is high DPI display support. As laptops and desktop monitors continue adopting higher resolutions, proper scaling becomes increasingly important. X11 often struggled with fractional scaling, resulting in blurry applications or inconsistent interface elements. Wayland handles scaling much more effectively, allowing users to enjoy sharper text, cleaner icons, and more consistent desktop layouts across different display resolutions. Whether you're using a 4K monitor or combining multiple displays with different pixel densities, Wayland provides a much more polished experience. Of course, no major technology transition happens without challenges. Some applications designed specifically around X11 may still require additional compatibility layers. Fortunately, Linux users benefit from X-Wayland, a compatibility system that allows traditional X11 applications to run inside Wayland sessions. This means most existing software continues functioning normally, while developers gradually update their applications for native Wayland support. Users can continue working with familiar tools without immediately replacing their favorite programs. Over time, more software projects are adopting native Wayland support, making the transition increasingly seamless. Beyond Wayland, Linux Mint's latest release also includes critical security updates that every user should install as soon as possible. Security vulnerabilities continue evolving across the software industry, and keeping systems updated remains one of the most effective defenses against attacks. The Mint development team regularly integrates upstream fixes from Ubuntu, Debian, the Linux kernel, and numerous software packages to ensure users receive timely protection. These updates address potential vulnerabilities before they can be widely exploited, helping maintain the reputation Linux enjoys for strong security and reliability. Security isn't just about preventing hackers from breaking into systems. It also involves protecting user privacy, securing personal files, improving browser safety, fixing privilege escalation vulnerabilities, strengthening cryptographic libraries, and ensuring software behaves predictably under unexpected conditions. Every security patch contributes to building a stronger operating system, even if users never notice the changes directly. Linux Mint's commitment to delivering these updates demonstrates the importance of proactive maintenance rather than waiting for problems to appear. The Cinnamon desktop environment also continues receiving refinements alongside these updates. Developers have improved stability, polished interface elements, optimized resource usage, and resolved bugs reported by the community. Small improvements often have the biggest impact because they enhance everyday tasks that users perform constantly. Faster application launches, smoother desktop effects, improved notifications, and better hardware compatibility all contribute to making Linux Mint feel more responsive and dependable. These refinements reinforce why Mint remains one of the most recommended Linux distributions for both beginners and experienced users. Driver support continues improving as well. Graphics drivers, wireless networking, Bluetooth devices, printers, and audio hardware all benefit from ongoing development across the Linux ecosystem. Better driver compatibility means fewer installation headaches and a more consistent experience across different hardware configurations. Users upgrading older systems or installing Linux Mint on new computers are increasingly likely to find everything working immediately after installation, reducing the need for manual configuration. For Windows users considering Linux for the first time, these updates make Linux Mint an even stronger recommendation. The familiar desktop layout, simple software management, reliable update tools, and excellent community support already made Mint one of the easiest Linux distributions to learn. Adding official Wayland support ensures new users gain access to the future of Linux graphics technology without sacrificing ease of use. Combined with important security updates and continuous desktop improvements, Linux Mint delivers a modern computing experience while maintaining its reputation for stability. The broader Linux ecosystem is also moving rapidly toward Wayland. Fedora, GNOME, KDE Plasma, Ubuntu, and several other major distributions have invested heavily in Wayland development over recent years. Hardware vendors, graphics driver developers, and application maintainers increasingly prioritize Wayland compatibility. Linux Mint joining this movement sends a strong signal that the transition has entered a mature stage. As more distributions adopt Wayland by default, developers gain additional motivation to optimize applications and eliminate remaining compatibility issues. Looking ahead, users can expect Wayland support to continue improving with each Linux Mint release. Features such as HDR display support, advanced color management, improved remote desktop capabilities, enhanced accessibility, and better graphics performance will continue evolving. The Linux desktop is entering a new phase where modern technologies replace aging infrastructure while preserving the flexibility and openness that define the platform. Linux Mint's measured approach ensures users receive these innovations only after they have reached a dependable level of maturity. Ultimately, this latest Linux Mint update represents much more than another routine release. Official Wayland support marks an important milestone in the distribution's evolution, while critical security fixes reinforce its commitment to protecting users against emerging threats. Together, these changes strengthen Linux Mint's position as one of the most dependable desktop operating systems available today. Whether you're already a longtime Linux Mint user, someone exploring Linux for the first time, or simply interested in the future of open-source computing, these updates highlight the steady progress taking place across the Linux ecosystem. Rather than chasing trends, Linux Mint continues focusing on delivering a stable, secure, and user-friendly desktop experience. And with Wayland officially becoming part of that journey alongside essential security improvements, the future of Linux Mint looks stronger, faster, and more secure than ever before.